In our last video, we discuss about what Scada system is all about, and how it works. In this video, we will make a Scada graphics using Touchlink user input. Touchlink is used to allow user to input data into the system. There are three Touchlink user input: discrete, analog and string. We will make an example on each Touchlink user input. So let's get started. First, let's make a rectangular image. Double-click on the rectangular image. On the pop-up window, you can see there the Touchlink group, which consists of discrete, analog and string. We will use first the discrete link. Click on it, and put a tag name. Let's put SW for the tag name. On the next fill-in box, you have put a message for the user. Let's put select status. Whenever the user touch the button, it will not directly change the status of an object. Perhaps, a screen will appear to select a command status. Click OK when it's done. Now, let's add a light for the button output. Double-click on the light image, and then put expression as SW. Let's change also the color status. When it's off, it should be red color. And when it's on, it will turn to green color. Now, let's click on the runtime button to see if it works. As you can see, when we click on the green image, a message window will pop up. On the message window, there are three status buttons: off status, on status, and cancel status. If we want to on the light, we have to click on button status and off button to turn off the lights. If we want to cancel the operation, just click on cancel button status. So that was the Touchlink discrete function. Let's go on to the next. The Touchlink analog function. Double-click on the square image. Change the Touchlink input to analog. Let's put a tag name as SL. On the tag name dictionary window, change type of tag to memory real. The operation will be in analog, meaning, it will represent by a continuously variable quantity when we click on the image. On the message to user box, put keypad. This will be the source to input numerical value on the screen. You can change the value range, according to system requirements. For now we have a value range of 0 to 100. Next, let's add a hash by using text tool. Hash will represent the numerical value. Double-click the hash and click analog on the value display. In the expression box put SL, so it will be link on the square image. Now, let's click on runtime. As we click on the image, a keypad will pop up. Here, you can type any value from 0 to 100, and click OK. As you can see, any value that you type on the keypad will appear on the screen. This kind of function can be used in setting up certain value of set point for temperature, level, or any analog status that value are changing time to time. The last is the string user input. Double-click on the rectangular image. Click string, and put a tag name. On the fill-in box below, you can put a message. The message will appear on a dialog box in the screen. This function is to input a message on a screen dialog box that can be linked to some process on the field system. Click OK when it's done. Let's delete light graphics, and drag hash graphics near the rectangular image. Double-click on the hash, and on the value display click string. Put a tag name as message, which is the tag name of the rectangular image. And then let's click on Runtime. As we click on the green button, a dialog box will pop up. Type word on the dialog box and hit enter on the keyboard. And the word will display on the screen. Those are the 3 Touchlink user inputs and how to use it. See you again next time for another episode of Scada Intouch tutorial.